Hello, good day. Today I am going to solve with you ICT past paper October-November 2024. I am going to solve the database section. So let's start. Okay. Task 3, database. Days must be imported in the format day, month, year. Day, month, year. Using database software, import the file students. CSV. So first of all, you have to create your work area. Inside the work area, you have to set your source files and your working files. Suppose this is my work area folder. Here I am going to right click, then new, then Microsoft Access. The name is not important here as I'm not going to show it or display it any place. Enable content and then just let me organize a little bit and start to import the file students. So here from the external data tab, go to the text file. Okay. Then browse, where is your file? Just refer where is your file. Not June, it is in November. Yes. The name of the file students. Yes. Then okay. The first window, leave it as it is because we have values separated with comma. So next, here it is important to tick this checkbox as the first row contain the field names. Otherwise, the Access will consider it as value. So it is very important point to tick this checkbox. Otherwise, again, the first row or the values in the names, yani in the first row will be as other values. So it's important to tell the Access it is the headings, it is the name of the feeds. Then next, here I'm going to go to the advanced. Okay, you can go to the advanced in this step or in the back step. All of them the same. The important point here just to change the day, the order of the day to be day, month, year. Day, month, year here, date order. Other things you have to do it just to ensure are the data types here similar to here, means they want the course code is to be text. Is it text here? Yeah. What about the other? Just check them one by one. Short text or long text doesn't matter. The point is to be text. So course code, last name, full name, till nationality, also text. DOP is a date, so nothing to change. So again, I am going to compare what is here to what they want, what they ask. Okay, this is the data type I'm going to compare with. So just compare here with here. What about the format here? Later, once I finish importing the this table, I'm going to open the table in the design view and just adjust the format. So here, just go down. Roll number is text, telephone is text, age October, it is number, and here it is long number. Sorry, telephone. Just have a look here. Telephone. The telephone should be text, but here they set it as integer. So I'm going to change it to be, for example, as the others, short text. Again, a roll number is text. Okay, but age October, it is a number, but it was here as a sorry, the telephone. Yeah, roll number is text, and here it is text. Telephone is should be text, but it is here what? It is long integer, means it is number. So I need to change this one to be text and the other short text. What about age October? It is number, and here it is long integer. Okay, it is fine because integer is also number. Email is text. Again, it doesn't matter if it is short text or long text. The matter is to be text. Okay, then next. Here, just I needed to set the roll number as a primary key, nothing to do here. Again, here you can take the advanced from here and change the data type, and that's it. Next. Again, choose my own primary key. It is very important to check what is the primary key. They said roll number, okay? So roll number is my primary key. Then next, leave the name of the table as it is and only finish. So if it is only one table means you import everything properly. If they give you two tables, one of the table like contains error or something like that, means you didn't import the table properly. You have to delete both of them and repeat. And the most common mistakes here, like you didn't change, for example, the order of the date. Okay, so be careful to import only one table. Again, if you finish importing and another table contains errors appear to you, means you didn't import it properly. So you have to go to both of them, right click and delete. Okay, and import it again, and be careful for the date order. Okay. Before going to the next table, I have to open it in the design view. I need like to check the date, the format of the date to be in this way. We said like the formatting will be adjusted in the design view once we finish import the table. So go to the DOP here, set the mouse here down and just paste the format of the date. طيب, what is we have for age October, it is integer, but we want 0 decimal place as no fraction, no decimal places. Okay, then save. Place in your evidence document a screenshot. So you are supposed to open snipping tool, or this is my snipping tool, in here, and just take screenshot of this particular part and paste it in your evidence document. Okay. Okay, then let's continue. Save and close. I'm not going to open the evidence file, but you have to paste the screenshot in the evidence file. Let's go to import the next table, which is degrees. From the same place, from the same tab, external data, text files, browse, and now this time is degrees here. Then okay, nothing to change as I have value separated by comma. Then next, then make sure to select the first row contains field names. Then from here, I am going to check the order to be day, month, year. Then the three fields here, the first three fields are text, nothing to change here. Number, nothing to change. Then I have three fields which are text, then number, then here the last one, work experience or expire, sorry. It is Boolean. So, and here it is like integer, means number. Boolean, we need to change it to be yes, no, as yes, no represent the Boolean values. So nothing to change here. The only field that I need to change it is work okay, to be yes, no, as it is Boolean, okay, not integer, it was integer. Then here double, see double and single, like number, you can see here I have single and double, both of them represents the real numbers, means number with the fractions, with decimal places. Text here, then number, integer, it is number, so don't worry about this one. Then I have text and okay, then next, nothing to change here. Again, my primary key is the subject code. Subject code, I will choose it from here and next, finish, and that's it. Just open to adjust the format for the degrees. So from here, design view, go to the number here, make sure it is 0 decimal place as it is integer, and the duration should be 1 decimal place. Okay, and how to display the Boolean values as yes and no. Okay, so just go to the work here and make sure that the format to be yes, no. Otherwise, it will display it by default as true, false. So make sure it is yes, no. So I adjusted the format for the last field work and here I adjusted the decimal places to be 1. So, you know, in the design view, I'm going to go to the third columns or fourth column just to adjust the format. Here, 1 decimal place, I adjusted For this number, it is integer, means 0 decimal place. I think also I need to take evidence, so new, and just screenshot for this particular part and paste it in your evidence document. Don't forget to save. Right click and save, then right click and close. Okay. 15, create one-to-many relationship between the subject code field in the degrees table and the course code in the student table. So from the from the database tools, go to relationships, highlight both of them, add, then close. Just drag to display the other fields. Okay, so what is the relationship between the subject code, between the subject code in the degree table, here, and the course code, from the subject code to the course code in the student. So just click and drag over the course code in the students table. Just have a look. Is it one-to-many? Yes, it is one-to-many. Is it from the subject code in the degrees to the course code in the students? Yeah. So yeah, create. Like, I want to take a screenshot as I want evidence. So again, double click over it. Make sure that you select the line, okay, the relationship, then double click. And then you have to take a screenshot for this particular part to paste it in your evidence, okay? So this is what we want. Paste it only in the evidence document. Sorry, okay. Then save, then close. Then let's continue. Now we want to create the query. Using fields from both tables, produce a tabular report that, so here we have the queries. Select the records where, so I have criteria. Subject, include the text organic. The age October is 25 or more. So, before creating the report, we need to create the query, okay? Because we have to set the criteria inside the query. Once we finish creating the query, means we extract some records matching this criteria. This query will transfer it and set it inside a report, because we are not going to take all the records from the report, all the records from the table, sorry. So go to the create, then query wizard in the query group. Here we go. Then, okay. For me, I prefer to select the fields that I need them in the criteria, then the fields that I need them in the report. So first of all, I have to select subject, okay? Subject, then age October. Where is it? I think it is on the other fields here. Double click or just select and take it here. Then let's continue to here. First name. The order is not important, as I want to reorder them in the report. So last name and first name, I need them. DOB and telephone, age October already I added. Duration not here, so duration here. What else? Degree code. So again, first name, last name, DOB, telephone, age October, duration, and degree code, and that's it. Nothing to change here. Next. I prefer to set query 1 for the first query, modify to add the criteria, finish. What are the criteria? Subject includes. They didn't say subject is organic. They said subject includes, means I have to set star organic star. Means whatever before organic and whatever after organic. So star represents whatever before. The first star represents whatever before. Before what? Before organic. Means maybe it is like, I don't know, healthy organic. So anyhow, I want the subject that contains the word organic. Whatever the words before it and whatever the words after it. So yeah. Access will change it to like. Don't worry about that. Age October is 25 or more, means 25 included. So greater than or equal. Okay. First of all, you have to set the greater than sign. Okay. Then equal. Don't set equal then greater than. It will not work. So greater than then equal to what? 25. Okay, and that's it. I don't, there is no new field. Yeah, so just run it to check. I have 42 records. I have 42 records matching that the subject contains. Can you see the subject here? I have organic in the beginning. Here I have organic in the middle, means whatever before organic, this, here star represents economic and the next star represents farming. So I want all the subjects where there is organic word. And age October, all of them either 25 or more. So yeah, my work is fine. So save and close. So now we want like to create the report based on the criteria that based on the query that we already created. Okay, so we want like to transfer the records that we got, which are matching the these two criteria, and set them in the report. How to create reports? From the create tab, go to the reports group, report wizard. Right. You have to select the query because I want to set the results of the query inside the report. So all of them, then next. I don't want any type of grouping. How to, you can see here, I have here type of grouping, okay? Type how to change or to fix this issue. Just go through the tables, okay? Tell to reach one table where all the fees in one text box. Here I have grouping, like these fees will be grouped under these fields, okay? I don't want any type of grouping, so just go through the fields. So no any type of a grouping. I don't want also any type of a grouping. Type what about here? Sort the data into descending order of a code, a degree code, and ascending order of age October. Then next, they want it to be landscapes, these 2 points here. Like the orientation is landscape, okay, and all the a single page width and print on 2 pages. Type adjust the face width so all the face fit on a page. So this is the point. Next, what about the name? I prefer to set the name of the report as the title because it will automatically add this name in the title. And go to the modify just to have a look. I want just the title to be here. I want also it to be like larger. So 22 and make sure like to adjust. Okay, there is point here, like all the fees here. Usually I used to like, to set the fees or to order the fees. Now I want to order them. I want to set them in this order, okay? I usually used to do that using the layout view, but here just you can see here, I have field here, this field, it's not visible. And if I opened it in the layout view will not be visible also. So before like going to the layout view, it's better to like just display it, just make it wider so I can see it in the layout view. This is for the experience. So just you can see it is like one line, it's invisible. So in this way, I can now go to the layout view and order them. You can see here it was hidden. So now I will go to the layout view and start to order them. Now, I first of all, I prefer like to adjust their size, like make them small, then order them, set them in order. After that, I will resize them. So first of all, I want just to order them. So first, the first field is first name. So this field, click the label, okay, the heading. Then hold Ctrl key and click over the next one. So in this way, you can select the whole field. Just make it smaller. Now again, for me now, it's not important like to adjust the size. The important point now for me now, like just to order them. So I will take it, for example, here, how to take them using the mouse or using the arrow keys, means the left and right button. Then take the first name, again, hold this one, Control key, hold the next one, okay? Just take them, make them smaller, take them using the mouse or using the arrow. Now, for example, see, I am using the right arrow to go to the right, left arrow to go to the left. Make sure not overlap here, not like you don't need like to exceed the border here, okay? So just take it not that much, a little bit. Yes, fine. Now last name, just make it smaller, take it using the mouse to here. Then I have DOP type. What about, I will drag all of them forward to the right. So yeah, click over this one, then hold Control key, click the next. I am keep holding Control key, keep holding Control key, drag them to the right side using the right arrow. Now I will take, okay, DOP here, hold Control key, click, take it to here. Then telephone, this is the telephone, just make it smaller, take it to here, smaller. Okay, fine. Then age October. This is age October. It's fine. I will adjust the size later. Okay, don't worry about that. Then duration. Make them smaller. Take them here. I want to add the duration next to October. So this is the duration. Okay, take it here using the mouse. But in duration, after that I have degree code. So yeah. Then after that subject, then work experience. Okay, so they are in order, okay? But now I would like to adjust the size type. In the same way, like just make sure all of them visible. Go through them, scroll down, check. Everything is visible? Okay, go to the next one. Now subject, take it to here. Just adjust the width. Everything should be visible. Can you see here? It's not, they are invisible now. Okay, just more, more, more. Can you see here? Oh, here. I think little bit here. No more than to the left. So I think more. I think now it's fine. Just have a look. Fine. Then manage. Okay, then degree, just make it larger. This one I want to make it also larger. Okay, now this one what? Duration. Then larger, take it to the right side. No, not that much. I think this one is okay. This is enough. Okay, just have a look and make sure that everything is visible. Can you see here for this one? I think no, they are visible. Okay, now telephone a little bit, take it to the right. Okay, now why they are hashtag? Because the contents don't fit the width of the cell. So select, hold Control key, click here, go them using the right arrow to here, then last name, more. Can you see here? Just have a look over all the fields. Take it a little bit to the right. Now first name is the last field. I think it's fine. Yeah, everything is visible and fine. It's fine. Anyhow, let's continue. Use a calculated control to display at the end of the report only the age of the oldest student. Oldest students means the maximum number. Okay, the maximum number in between the ages. Okay, so I want the oldest means maximum. So I am going to use the formula which is maximum. Okay, and the maximum from the age October field. So the maximum for age. Okay. طيب, how to do that? It's not in the layout. Let me go save it first, then go to the design view. I prefer to add it here in the design view. For which field? For the age. So select the field here, not here, the label, the field itself. And it is in the design view, go to the totals and select maximum. Okay, select maximum. Okay, and just make it visible. Okay, and set label age of the oldest student to the left side. So I need like to make like the report footer like wider, then add label. This is to add the label to the left side. Paste age of oldest student. Has your name, center number, candidate number in the footer of the report. So it appears in the same position on every page. So I want to add it in the page footer as I want to display it on every page. So here I have to set the center number, the name, sorry. Center number, candidate number. Okay. Save and print. So just save it and just double click and have a look. Everything is visible. Go down. Okay, the oldest student is 58. Okay, I think I need like just to take it a little bit to the left. Okay, 58, and it's true. Just have a look over the ages. 58, yeah, here we go. That is for Molly. 58. So yeah, go to the design view. Just I want to take this one, both of them, just highlight them, then take them a little bit to the left. And for this one, I can just, okay, take it a little bit here. Okay, now double click, have a look. Yeah, the age, yeah, I can more, I can more. So again, design view, take it a little bit, and now, I think now it's better. Yeah. Okay, now let's continue. I think here also it's better in the layout view. Layout view, just make it, take this one here, or then just double click, save and close, double click. Yeah, it's fine. Now, what else? A place in your evidence document screen should showing the database formula used to display the age. Okay, so in the design view, go to the design view and take screenshot for this particular part. Okay, so here, just screenshot for this particular part. They need to check that you have the maximum. Okay, now save and close. Now let's continue. You are now going to create a data entry form. So you want to create form. The form will contain a field with a drop-down menu for the user to select any option from the list. Data from the selected option will be stored in the field in the students table. Okay, so means I am going to create a drop-down menu. Okay, something like that. Okay, once you click over it, you will find list. So the user will select one of these items, and the item that the user select will go to and save it or store it in another field. Okay, so how to do that? Let's start. Create a columnar data entry form using selected fields from the student table. So the entry for the student table, go to the create tab, go to the form group and form wizard. Type includes only the field, so not all the fields. So go to the students and select only the field. Here the order is important, okay? So roll number will be the first one, then first name and last name, first name, last name, gender, then DOB and telephone, email. Okay, again, roll number, first name, last name, gender, DOB, telephone, and email. Okay, then next. It is columnar, so leave it as columnar. Next, just add good name or suitable name for this entry. I will, as they didn't ask what is the name, so students entry. Okay, then in the modify, open it in the modify to adjust the width. So you can see here, for me, I prefer like just, it will cover the whole area here. So just make it suitable. I think now it's fine. You can adjust the font and font size, but it's, as I didn't ask, okay. It doesn't matter. Save the form, so save it and just close it and just try to open it to have a look now. The point is to make all of them visible, okay? So you can see like the field name and the value, its value. I have 623 students record. Place in your evidence document a screenshot showing your form with a record from the database. So yeah, any record you can go through them using this arrow. So this is the first record, this is the second, and so on. Just have a look and take a screenshot for your, okay, like that. Okay, paste it in your evidence document. Now let's continue. So step number 18, import the file country codes as a new table in your database. Set ISO underscore code as a primary key. So it is from the external data text file, browse, then code, country code. Okay, nothing here. Make sure to tick this box as the first row contains the fields names. Nothing to change in the advanced here, as it didn't give me the data type. Okay, just continue, and the primary key is the ISO code as I want. Okay, then next and finish. Close. Okay. Now, on the form created in the step 17, create a new control using a drop down menu, which lists each ISO code from the country code table. Play the control between DOB and telephone fields. So again, let's go to the form in the design view. Okay. Type. They want me like to add control in between the DOB and a telephone, and it should be drop down menu. Here in the design tab, in the controls, here you will find all the controls. Here, for example, it is text box. Here to add label that we used to use it for adding the name and the center number and candidate number. Okay, here like if you want to add button, anyhow I want like to add a combo box. This is for adding the list or drop down menu. What about this one to add radio buttons? Means tick one of tick one option of set of options. Okay, but we need here to add a drop down menu and its position in between DOB and telephone. Type. First of all, I need to take the telephone and email down. So just let me just give a space and then highlight, take them using the arrows here. Okay, so in between DOB and telephone. So here is the position. So select the combo and just click over it, and here, okay, just drag and release. Now the wizard will start with you. What you want? I want the combo box to get the values from another table or query, or I will type the values. Of course, I'm not going to type the values. Find record on my form based on the value I selected in my combo box. No, I want the combo box to get the values from to get the values from the country code, right? From the country code. So ISO lists each ISO code, which lists each ISO code from the country codes table. Okay, so ISO code is like my field from which I will get the values. Okay, and I will store these values in the I will store these values in the nationality field. Okay. Okay. Edit the drop-down menu so that the list display in ascending alphabetical order. Ascending order. The list displays unique values only. Okay. As you want to store ISO code, and the ISO code is the primary key, so they are unique values. They are not repeated. Data entry is limited to any the ISO codes listed. The ISO code, so you have to set the ISO code in this drop-down menu, and they will be stored in the nationality field in the students table. يعني I have here drop-down menu contains the code, okay? Contains the code type. In this case, once the user select like just a code from it, it will, here I will list the code. Once the user select the code, this code will be stored in the nationality okay, in the nationality field. So how to do that again? Okay, I want the combo box to get the values from another table or query. Okay, leave it. طيب, from which table you want? I want from the country code, because the ISO code will be inside the country code table. Next, طب which field you want ISO code? I want to list the values from the ISO code. Then next, do you want to add any types of ordering? Yeah, ascending order related to ISO code. Okay, so just sort them in ascending order. Next, so these are the values. Okay, can you see they are ordered? Okay, in ascending way. Then next. Type. Now, where you want to store these values means when the user select one of these values. Okay, once the user tick one of these values, where to be stored? Store the value in this field. Which field? Nationality. Then next. Like, what is the name of this? Like, what label would you like for the combo box? Label the new field as country code. So this is the name will be appear to the left of the list. Okay, then finish. Can you see here? So this is like, you can adjust its size, and here like the it will be stored inside the nationality type. Now just save it and close it and double click. Yeah, this is like where the country code, this is inside it you will find, I'm not going to change, but just have a look here in the drop down menu, contains all the nationalities, all the country code. Okay, I got them from the ISO code from the country code table. Okay, so these are the values of ISO code from the country codes table. Once the user select one of them, they will be stored inside the nationality. Okay, as يعني in the students table, I have nationality field. Nationality field, the values from here will be stored in the nationality. Okay. So that's it. Place in your evidence document screenshots show the drop-down menu list. So you have to just open the drop-down menu, take screenshot using the shortcut Shift, Windows logo, and S. Then take screenshot for this particular part. Okay. Then save it in your evidence document. Okay. Then another screenshot, the drop-down menu label with the text fully visible. They want the label, so already we took it. Anyhow, just you can take another screenshot using the Shift and Windows logo and S. Like again, they want to check, the menu label means country code. Okay, they want the country code. They want this particular part. Anyhow, you can paste it directly in the evidence data entry. control so that only unique values are listed. The same screenshot showing that only the unique values, anyhow, it is from the ISO code, and all the values in the ISO code are unique. So the first screenshots, okay, include this particular part. Data entry controls to limit data entry to the list option. So here I want to go to the design view, and I want to go to this particular part and go to the property sheet. In the property sheet, I have all the details I want. You can see here, like you can set this one. Sorry. Okay, just like that. So you can see here, the control source means store these values in the nationality field. Row source, I will get the values inside this drop-down menu from the country code table, ISO code field, okay? So here, like, the position, here is the source from where this drop-down menu got its values, okay? And the source is table, okay? From the table, from the country code table. So take screenshot for this particular area. It showed this screenshot for both list options. The controls apply to save the selected option in the nationality, and it will take this screenshot for both to show the control source and the row source. The control source where to save the value that the user will select, the row source from where I got the values inside the drop-down menu. Okay, so another screenshot and paste it in your evidence document. This is the next screenshot. Okay, so and then close. So how I got it, right click over open your form in the design view, then select the nationality. Okay, and then go to the property sheet, and here we go in the data tab, the control source, where to save the selected value. It is in the nationality field in the student table, and from where I will get the values of this menu. It is here, means the row source. It is from the country code table from the ISO code. Okay, then close it. Just save and close. Now I want to enter these values in my form. So just double click how to add a new value. Just click over the a new record and just copy the values and paste it here. You have to take screenshot, place in your evidence document screenshot of the form. So you can see here in the country code, it will show you the option, okay, of the form with the new record. So just have a screenshot for this particular part. Okay, and paste it in your evidence document. And that's it. We finish.